Yeah, let me make something on the yeah, please. Yeah, please. Just kiss me. Come on. No,
What up YouTube? It is your girl Lady N and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Today's video I wanna prank my boyfriend, you know. It's been a minute in some pranky, so in today's prank guys I'll fake as if I am fainting or I have stomach cramps and stuff like that, but like I will fake like as if I'm fainting or there's something that is happening like in my body that I don't like feel well and stuff like that. I just wanna see his reaction, you guys. Nothing much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment guys. I don't know ukuthi i-camera ngizoyifihla phi la angikaze ayibone khona, but I have a plan. I will see. Problem, I don't know ukuthi ngiyifihle kuphi and cishe wangibamba manje ukuthi there's something that I am up to, but guys I'm thinking of something. Let me try this. This is not a good idea, guys. Guys, I think this is the right spot. Yeah, I'm going to chill on the bed. Like I wanna see which is reactor kanjani, guys, and I hope the camera niggas ayibona, because wayibona prank is over. So ngicela nibe nami please, ningithandazeleni.
hello. That's right.
Oh.
Let me make something from you. No, babe, 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 stop, babe, 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 no, babe, babe, stay with me, babe, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Come on, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. How about that? Ngibekele nang sekhetheleni. Let's ngithi. Ubeke ngisekhetheleni. Yo.
We got him. I'm so sorry. Guys, he's shaking. Ah, baby. I'm so sorry. Excuse. We got him, guys. It's been a minute saying I'm pranky, guys. So, magagaula bag.
Oh, I don't know what to say, guys. Yo, it's like yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Guys, please continue to stay tuned.
Sure.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, because there are more bangers that are coming. So subscribe. Subscribe, but you look for subscribe.
Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Hope you guys are good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my baby. Yo.